Welcome to another episode of Cooking Unlocked. I love a pickled martini, so I figured why not show you how to make them. So super simple. You just need, and I like equal amounts of my pickle juice and my vodka because I really like a heavy pickle flavor. You don't have to make it that way, but that's how I'm going to show you. So it is 2 ounces or 2 shots of pickle juice, which I take directly from my favorite dill pickle jar. 2.5 ounces of vodka, whatever kind you like. The ice is just so we can put it in our shaker, and then I always make sure that my martini glass is pre-chilled because I like a super cold martini. So we're gonna put our ice into the shaker, and our pickle juice, and our vodka. Oops, that's alcohol abuse when you spill it on the counter. And we are going to shake vigorously for 20 seconds. So it's super, super, super cold. All right. Chilled glass. Just keep abusing it, it's terrible. Nice little pickle wedge. And it is that simple. Things that are delicious shouldn't have to take forever. That's delightful. Cheers, cheers, and cheers.